The Lakes Distillery began for me in April 2012. Paul Curry, who had previously founded the Arran Whiskey Distillery, had secured planning consent in the Lake District National Park. Together we planned to create a global luxury whiskey brand, and this is the journey that we're inviting you to join us on. The global whiskey industry is currently worth $60 billion, and it's forecast to grow up to $108 billion over the next 9 years. The growth is being driven by three main factors: new whiskey distilleries, innovation, and a conscience.
The current growth and interest in the whiskey category is really exciting. At the Lakes, innovation to create, enhance and elevate flavour is at the heart of everything that we do. We not only look at what whiskey is, but what whiskey can become. And while we respect the conventional traditions of Scotch whiskey's rich heritage, we remain open to a world of other influences. The biggest challenge for any maker is to create something that transcends the trends and is relevant for years to come. The consumer's looking for quality, rarity, experience and exceptional service at all times and in everything that we do. As a small boutique distillery, we are striving towards the achievement of that, and we are well positioned to deliver against it. We want our whiskey to be enjoyed by our consumers in the bars, restaurants and hotels where they enjoy spending their time. We work in partnership with international distributors in countries such as Japan, Singapore and across Europe. We have upcoming plans to launch into some of the biggest whiskey markets in the world. We're already listed in prestigious outlets like Savoy, Claridge's and Connaught. We're sold by some of the finest whiskey specialists and major retailers.
From the very beginning, we sought the expertise and help of people who knew how to build a global luxury whiskey brand. That team has enabled us to achieve the success that we have to date.
We've made a conscious decision to put the environment and people at the centre of our decision making and treat them with the respect that they deserve. We're proud of our home in the Lake District, and we take our responsibility very seriously, not only to protect it now, but also for future generations to come. We've introduced circular initiatives. The waste product from our whiskey making process is given to local farmers to be used for cattle feed and fertiliser. Our sense of community is integral to our plans going forward.
To date, our growth has been funded by just over £30 million of investment. It's our intention to use this investment to support our growth and ensure that we can sustain an increase in production of single malt whisky. This provides the foundations of our future sales growth. And as we build our brand globally, the increase in production means we'll be able to release the quantity of whisky we need to meet the growing demand. Since September 2018, the company has had PLC status and all of the corporate governance structures you would expect from a listed company.
I genuinely believe we have the right people and that we're in the right place at the right time. The opportunity now is for us to grow that brand both in the UK and around the world. This is your opportunity to join us, the Lakes Distillery, in helping to deliver on our vision to create one of the finest sherry-led single malt whiskies in the world.